Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll see how we can find out how much traffic our website is getting through the Google Analytics account. So once you log into your Google Analytics account, you will be able to come to the home page in this particular manner. And now we can go to the reports section where we can find such data. So in the report section specifically, if you go to acquisitions overview, this is where you will get to see data coming in regarding our regular traffic. So now Google shows you users and new users data in this particular manner. So this is a data which is being shown for last 28 days. So what we get to see is in the last 28 days, how many users visited our website, out of which how many were new users, so which you can see as well over here. So usually the new users number would be lesser than the normal users because new users are the first time visitors of our website. Then we also get to see a real-time data about how many users have been through our website in the last 30 days. That data which also comes to our notice over here, which you can see. Also, we get to see the different sources from where they are coming. They're directly coming to our website or through an organic search or through referral, how they are visiting our website, through which source are they landing on our website is also what Google Analytics shows us. So we get to see paid search, which is basically Google ads running, organic social. So all these sources also, which you will get to see out here. So this will be the page, guys, where you will be able to find the traffic coming to our website on a regular basis. So you can sign into your Google Analytics and go through this page to see all the information regarding your website traffic. I hope this makes sense. Now you understand how we can find out the traffic coming to our website on the Google Analytics account. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session, and I will see you in the next video.